right, so Costas' his team reached out to us and said that they've got this new technology, which I thought was really cool. As you know, as a truck driver, you've probably been stuck at the side of the road like I have, and you know what? It would be nice to have an app where you can get some kind of response and have different options and those kind of things based on the area you're in. And so he's came up with this new app, which is coming out in October. It's not out yet. And we talked to him about what's going on with the app and, you know, should we be worried about it? What should we be doing? How it works, all those kind of things, cost, everything. So stay tuned and we'll be right back with Costas and this new app. Understand the importance of this. Why maintenance? You sounds like you've got other areas you could have gone to. Why'd you go to a maintenance app? Were you broken down a lot or?
Well, we would have drivers calling us in the middle of the night, and you know they were unable to find somebody to come and tow them or fix an air leak. We used a roadside assistance company or reimbursement company, and everything seemed pretty good. They would get people out there quick, but then when it would come time to get a reimbursement, you know, it'd be fine print on the contract or it'd be some loophole, and I had enough of it. Then 2 years ago, before this was even an idea, we had literally probably one of the worst weeks I can remember. We had drivers breaking down left and right, and these were newer trucks that it shouldn't have been. And it was you know the middle of the summer, so we had one truck driver who didn't want to call us at 3:30 in the morning, and I keep my cell phone under my pillow. If you need me, call me. So he went about his own way. He thought he found a repair guy to come out. The guy took an express code for like $550 or $600 up front and then never showed up. The driver was scammed, and then